Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear and a good deal. Features also include keyless ignition, iPod adapter, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2013 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, stability control, backup camera, alloy wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, clock, child safety locks, power brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.